How are you? Hope you're doing well. So this is a video about the web app I made. So let me explain it first. You have to use fast API div and chart.py to run it. Then it will give you this link. Copy it and paste it here. All right. So right now it's it has embedded my Obsidian files as embeddings, and it will respond to my queries about it. So let me explain the program a bit. So first it gets the key from the windows. You should know how to make that key in the environment and embed it. Save it. It will get the keys. You should install the relevant packages. I have provided the guide on the readme file. Then it needs the directory to MD files, or Obsidian files, and it looks for hashing. So I use this mechanism to look after if there are any changes. If there is any change, it will do the embeddings again, so it's up to date with the files. Then nothing else, nothing that's very interesting. Only thing that's a bit important to understand is that once you specify the maximum token a model can get in its context window, then it will work properly. So I made this program so it calculates the appropriate number of tokens and clips the rest, so it works properly. So let's continue. It gets the MD files, converts them into text, but making sure that each file is sort of knows its name and the path. I will try to make sure that's improved in the future. I was making sure I'm recording or not. All right, so there is the relevant thing. So here is what happens. Let me come down here. We get a query from the user. My program goes and gets the relevant text. So let's look at this. It gets the relevant text, which is embeddings, gets the query embedding and gets the similar text. Then it assigns the relevance to the query of these texts, and I get the most relevant. I append the most relevant text first, and the rest of the importance of text gets embedded after. So I have to clip it, as I told you, that it should be bound to these maximum token numbers. So right now it's called, where is it? Groq. All right. So excuse me. All right. So the Llama 3 that's hosted by Groq, 70 billion parameters, has context window of 6,000 tokens. So I have to make sure that it's 6,000 context window, and that's why it just clips the relevant 6,000 tokens and discards the rest. So which is not important, you can say, but we will see in the future if we can improve on that. And it generates it gets the stitch tags. I called it stitch tags, and the query, and that it goes to the Groq function. So I said it like, I am user, this is my query, based on the following information provide relevant insight, yada yada yada. Then it goes to show, and it gives me the response. So let's see it in the in action. So tell me about my skills. Let's this is the query I've been running. So let's ask it and see if we are so So it gave it a response back. I will try to improve this interface in the future. I will try to make it a chat-like flow. Right now it's just simple query and response. Based on the files provided, here are insights about your skills, yada yada yada, and it knows everything about me. So this is the main function. This is the main function of this program. Here's how it works. If there is any question, do try to leave your comments or queries on the GitHub page of this repo. All right, and so I see you next time. Thank you.